Here I've got Philips X818 and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then scroll down, find and select language and input, and here under language you can come along with a whole list of languages, so let me pick for example this one, and as you can see it has been already changed and you can use your device in your favorite language. Then if you'd like to go back to some other or simply choose some other language, open the list of languages one more time, and in my case I would go back to English, and as you can see immediately after that it is changed. So that would be all. This is how you can smoothly and easily change language in your Philips X818. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.